What is up, YouTube? And I am back with a banger video. Well, no, I wouldn't say it's all my other videos are bangers, but this one is, at least in my opinion. We're gonna be starting off with the extra well, it's Animal Company, but get on the Meta store while you can, or the Meta Horizon store while you can, because I don't know how. I think it's only MetaQuest 3S, so only MetaQuest 3S users can get it. You can look it up, but I'm starting with my favorite one so far, which is this one. Oh yeah. So yeah, this is the arena update of Animal Company. And my friend is texting me. But yeah, it's an old version. Um, yeah. Let's go into private code. Now it looks a lot like Animal Company. Yeah, yeah. So basically, you get 20 point meal. Yeah. And if you're wondering what this is the dev menu. You can do all things. You can teleport. You got a player. You can big. The max is 10, I'm pretty sure. No, I think it's 5 actually. Um, I actually cannot remember. Kind of hard to. Yeah, I think the max is 10. Reset, please reset. Oh god, I'm cooked, guys. I have to reset the game. Reset, please. Okay, let's go die. That might help. If I can even get unstuck. Oh my. Yo. Alright, let's go into the big swimming pool. Oh yeah. Wow. Yo, my ghost is human. I'm scared to respawn now. Oh, thank God. Okay. So yeah, you can die with these -10, +10. You can get all that. You can go to 1 HP. You can do all that really. You can die. You can get server code. And I know I'm sure some of y'all have already seen it when I was over here. This right here. You'll see all this. This is all just the basic stuff. Okay. Spins around. But let me show you a little thing. You go up, you're gonna start to see things you don't usually see. The money cash piles, which works. So yeah, that works. You get some of the OG bags, which when we do get to that one part, there's gonna be the OG bags in the OG update. Well, it's not OG, but you know, you got red flashlight, which you can't actually buy. That's the thing. Ducks you can't buy. OG scanners you can't buy. Apples you can't buy. Crackers you can't buy. Heart boxes you can't buy. Whoa! Pumpkin pies you can't buy. So yeah, basically all the stuff you usually can't buy. I think that's the pink MRE. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the pink MRE. So the pink MRE. Then this is just to get rid of your bolts if you want to, which I'm not doing that. Then you got these, which I'm pretty sure you actually can buy now. Oh, yeah, it's also in that update too. Flashlight backpacks, which you can't buy. A bunch of really stuff that you can't legitimately buy. Boom boxes you can't buy. Stash grenades, well, these in this update you can't buy. Cheese you can't buy. Oh yeah, same thing. These you definitely cannot buy. Cardboard boxes, I think you can buy them, just for the regular ones. Um, these you can't buy. These you can't buy. Then you got the CDs. Then you got the calculators, the key cards, another money spender, floppy disk. Yeah, mug, paperwork, and this you can actually buy now because if I'm not badly, I think it gives you also unreleased stuff, at least for this update. More pumpkins, which this one's a little more bigger. What? Oh, I thought that was a. Okay, so yeah, scissors, all the utensils. Um, bigger crate, uh, even bigger crate, golden gun, which you aren't able to buy. This is most obvious you can't buy. The egg launcher, I think, is actually unreleased in this update, so you can buy them. And even if they were they unreleased. This is a lot of money, which I cannot afford, but these are the guns from, yeah. And then a lot of the stuff I can't buy because it's like, oh, expensive for some reason. So you have to spend all the money. It's a bunch of money trying to get all the snowball, the upside down thing, cranium. And yeah. And then the bag that I spawned in with, I don't know what I did. I think it despawned actually somehow. Then you got all these, which these, yep, you can see. Which is my lag bag. Or at least I call it my lag bag. Well, it is a lag bag, honestly. You eject it, you lag their game, and they're cooked. You can also duplicate it. It also duplicates itself. Sometimes you can't eject it out. Sometimes you can. Hey, I said pour out. So yeah, bunch of just heart guns and stuff. Which I have no idea why it's there. So yeah, that's gone. Bunch of just heart guns you can get. That's it. I said I don't want that. So yeah, tiny bag, which is also filled with heart guns. Yeah, they're also color changing bags too. So a bunch of heart guns, which we're just gonna do this right here. Oh yeah, you can get different Ukrainian chunks or uranium. Where that's what I was looking for. Wait, what? Oh, I think I'm broke right now. So yeah, this is my favorite update because of these things right here. You die, choose your teams, teleport to different areas, moon crash site. Um, really cool, in my opinion. What was that? Actually, I'm just gonna do this right here. There we go. Oh wait, I have one right here. What am I doing with my life? I'm just gonna throw that over there. Yeah, everything can go over there. I don't even care. Okay. I'm gonna go away. Oh my god. Oh my yo. Oh my yo, that's crazy, dude. I'm just gonna get away from there. What just exploded? Alright, and then we're just, oh wait. Okay. I'm just gonna go to something I know for a fact I can buy. Money. Wait, I can't even buy money? What the heck? It's literally $0 for money. I literally like this black bag right here. So yeah, you get a bunch of different currencies and all that. Go down here, I think you can buy that stuff. Um, so yeah, you can go to the new map if you want. Which, before I do, in this, at least this part section. Okay, why is this part not working? What the? Oh, it's here. Old lobby scary? What's this place, guys? Actually, what is this place? This is scary. Lab respawn tube, lobby teleporter, lobby default. Okay. Oh, finally this loaded. So yeah, you can go here and drive the cars. So if y'all didn't get a chance to drive the cars, well, here's your chance before the game gets taken down. Because I'm sure it's gonna get taken down. So yeah, there's your chance to go ahead and drive the cars again. Also, does anyone, if they do know, does anyone know if like that whole thing's gonna be permanent with the new map? Because I honestly don't like it. I mean, I think it's cool, but like I just prefer the OG. What the heck? I didn't know I could go small. Okay. Oh my yo! I'm literally. Okay, I'm just gonna hit reset if I can. Oh, thank God. Okay. Holy, let's go humongous. I think we'll go at least. We'll go 4. I don't want to go too big. If I'm too big, then I can't even click the button. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it right there. Now, going on to the second one, we're starting from the bottom, which is my favorite, to the top. So the next one is gonna be, where is it? Settings. Okay, this one right here, the office update. But first, all right, next update, the office update. As you can see, office update right there. And we're gonna be going to OG AC here in a second. So next update is the office. Logging in. This takes forever. And we'll get to the newest update, which is the one that they worked on. And don't ask me to go to the office, okay, guys? Seems like we won't actually have to. Wait. Oh, so I'm recording a YouTube video, bro. I was gonna say there's nobody here, but Your biggest fan? What's my YouTube channel then? Alright, guys, we got a fake fan here. That's cool. We got a fake fan, guys. That's crazy. You don't know my YouTube channel. Like, otherwise you'd tell me. Alright, anyways, guys, like I was saying, we're gonna go into private lobby. The next update is Office, so... Surprised there's even anyone in it. Not gonna lie. There's not many people actually going into the older updates. I'm doing this for recording and for y'all because I'm sure a lot of y'all want to play this game. You can, for some reason, it won't let me buy. But there's this. Where's the dark matter ore? Or is that in a different update? I think that's in the OGAC. Hold on. I'm trying to think. I forget which update that it was in. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at what's in my bag. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? We gotta take a look. Where did the bag go? Oh, OG scanner, red, or OG tablet mainly, but I call it scanner. We got a colored pistol, which is pretty cool. Which of course it's not loaded. Basically the only actual really good thing out of it, honestly. Okay, I was about to say, where's the pistol? And I do actually want to test something. Considering this is a modded version, I want to see if I can. Okay, no, you can't. Which it's a modded version, and sometimes you can do that kind of stuff. And then yet again, here we are. Why is my hands already showing? Not even over there. Hold on, what? Why my body's already showing before I even get down there? That is actually interesting. So yeah, gosh darn it. You can't actually even get any of this for some darn reason. You have 30 mil, which I don't understand. Should be able to buy something, but clearly not. And then yeah, this is when Office was first introduced, which Office is now there. But oh hey, I forgot that Office used to be over this way. So yeah, Office, if you want to go to the original Office when it first came out, it's in this update. You can go to, which is when this. I was about to say, is it gonna go dark? I'm no key not going that way. No thanks. No thanks. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. No thank you. I don't know why, but I'm used to like using the analog stick, especially on the newer update. You feel me? Why is my thing being buggy? Hello? Hi, yo, chill, cuz you gotta chill on that. But yeah, there's all this right here. I'm gonna do Russian roulette. Alright, we're gonna. Alright, is it gonna explode? Oh, nope. I'm not looking. Is it gonna explode? Oh, no, it's not. Oh my god, that sent me flying. Yo, that's crazy, guys. What? Um, wait, what is this? Oh, it's tape. Um, so yeah, you get everything unlocked too, including the shredder. Yeah, which is pretty cool, I guess. But and then, oh yeah, I think a lot of y'all want to see what's this, which is very laggy, but you know, which is so big it goes back in your stash. So you'll have to take it here. Yo, that thing is humongous. We're gonna get this one. Go dump it out. Oh yeah, we got two of these. First bag, which all y'all have seen so far is heart guns for some reason. I don't know why though. First bag done. Second bag. Which actually, I don't think these actually despawn. I don't think these ones despawn. Really? Was it? Dang, that was crazy. And yeah, these are color changing bags too. Hold on, I'm gonna get a heart gun. Oh, I didn't even click gadgets. No wonder. We're doing a giveaway! Not really, because I just lied. Okay. That bag's empty. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, yeah. Oh my yo, brother. What? Okay, guys, let's just put that up here. While we dump this out. Yeah! Woo! Okay, there we go. Holy, that bag is humongously heavy. Alright. Ah! I'm doing this because I'm also kind of sitting down too, so. Okay. I'm gonna do this one more time. Yeah. I'm gonna head on to the next. If it's not changing the color, that means it's open. Or if it's closed. If it's different color, that means it's open. And then let's just do this, I guess. Just because I'm bored. Alright, sweet, finally. Alright. And that was the last of the bags. So yeah, that was that update. The Office update when the Office first came out. On to the next. Bye. Hey guys. In the next update, I had to get rid of the other video. So yeah. Uh, 2 minutes and yep, not doing that. Delete, delete. Those are the main ones. Alright, sweet. Okay. So we're in the OG AC right here. It's not completely OG, but you know, it's pretty OG. Now, if y'all want to go OG, I have OG. So, yeah. Then you go down there, which is that. Then we got all these bags and all this stuff. OG scanner, OG grenade, which a lot of I see the gold version on the yeah, so how do you even use a crossbow? There's grenades, yeah. And then you got OG bags, which when you buy them they automatically go in your bag. There's that one. Flashlight backpack. That one. And then there's the regular one, which you can still buy till this day. Then there's the black one, which I personally like. And there's that one. There's a white one, which I actually have on my main account, on Actual Animal Company. I have the white one, and I think it was. Well, yeah, I also have that one too. And I also have this one too on my on Actual Animal Company. Not really much to actually go over in this update. Well, how about we play a song or something? There's art. Let's play a I think I might get copyrighted for that. I'm not for sure. Um, daily challenge is already on for some reason. Go down here. It's the tube thing. And there you go to animals. No animals visible. Character. Outfit. Hat. It's like there would be a hat here, but there's not. Face accessory, clothing. I don't think there's any clothes in this update yet. Whatever that is. What the heck is that? I'm not even sure. We have these boxes. Oh my, yo, dude, I'm over in my chair. I'm already sitting down in my chair. So I guess this is what's propping it up. Ow, ow, ow. So, oh yeah, I think it's fall. This is a fall update too, so. Oh yeah, if y'all know how to get the winter update too, let me know, because I actually want to play in the winter update. I like the winter update for some reason. It's between that one or the Halloween one. So yeah, without that being said, I'm gonna go to the final and last, and yeah. Alright guys, last but not least is the update that, or the default update, the one that's literally currently going on right now. Which I'm pretty sure this is the one with the zombie things, the zombies. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is the zombie update. And there is actually a lot of people playing in this update. Or not. Maybe not. Maybe there's not, actually. Hold on, because when I last played, there's a lot of people. Maybe they're just going back to the old update. Oh, no, there's someone here, guys. Oh, there's another person, guys. Yeah, we all... But yeah. Lobbies do work, as y'all saw. And then we got the shotgun. Dude, actually, has the shotgun always been this expensive? I swear. Wait a minute. There's also the dev menu in this one? Wait, I didn't know it was in the recent update, too. Okay, guys, so you can also do the same thing in this update. I guess they just put it in, then. Because this was not in here a few days ago playing it. Hello? Why is... Okay, there is stuff. So yeah, there's this update right here. I don't think I'm getting any money. So yeah, 150, 200. Oh, and this one, you can buy landmines. Which, no, unfortunately, you can't do this glitch with this one. Which is actually unfortunate, guys. So there's a heart box. Really cool. Boombox still isn't fixed. Then you got those. Calculator, the bongos, boom spear, ammo. Which all this stuff you can buy. The regular ukulele, the golden ukulele, and then you have all the basic stuff. Then you can buy like that stuff. Then you can still buy... No idea why I can't buy that, okay? For some reason I can't buy that. I can buy the banana, which 9 mil is enough for, yeah, the stuff. Coca-Cola, eggs, a key. So, yeah. Oh, there's a big one and a stone. Okay, that's why. Is this the, okay, I thought this was the upside down heart chunk. That's new to me. And buy freaking crate. Um, you can buy a literal snowball. Yeah, this right here. Oh wait, this is the upside down orb. It literally makes you. Yeah. Ah! It hurts my head so much. So I'm gonna have to just drop that. It literally messes with my mind so much when you. Oh no. Okay, I thought I broke it. Ah! Okay. So yeah, that hurts with my head. Empty toilet wrap. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. And then you got uranium, whatever the heck, unknown item. Can't even get it. You got the trophy, a big old TP, uh, snowballs. So yeah, you got tiny, medium. So yeah, you can get everything else in here. Let's see, have they updated this? And the rocket ship's still here. So yeah, oh yeah, see what I mean? Offices over there. This is the somewhat new update. Yeah, because it has the thing where you have to move. Dev new lobby spawn. It's kind of finicky, not gonna lie. I'm trying to click that bottom one. You can't click some of these. Never mind, you can't click none of them. Ow, ow. Oh, I just accidentally killed myself. Oopsies. I want to get my bag back because I don't know what's in that bag. So, yeah. You can do different things. You can also do the size thing again. Um, I just kicked myself. Excuse me? Oh, you can kick yourself? I didn't know that, guys. What? Wait, so does that mean I can... You can kick people. That's funny. That is actually funny. I just kicked myself on accident. That is actually hilarious. That is funny that you can kick people in the game. Now is hilarious. I didn't know that. So yeah, none of this works for some reason. Don't know why. Make myself too. And then you can go inside of stuff. I just messed up. Well, let's see what we got. Coca-Cola. No idea what that was. Oh, that's it. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and give good old... Is there someone calling me? Oh yeah, there is. Alright, hold on guys. Whoa. So, yeah, this is the last one update of the different games. Go get this game now while you can, and you guys are going to enjoy this game. Smash that like button and hit that subscribe, and maybe turn on notifications so you don't miss a video like this. And peace.